The next one in our list is variable refrigerant flow. What we saw in the first one is ducted split unit, where single indoor and single outdoor. But what a variable refrigerant flow is? Single outdoor unit with multiple indoor units. Okay. What we see in ducted split unit is single indoor, single outdoor. But for variable refrigerant flow, there will be a single outdoor units and there will be a multiple indoor units. Okay. Refrigerant pipe distributed from outdoor to indoor based on the requirement, and the pipe size also differs based on capacity and requirement of indoor units. It has many benefits. Like if you compare like a ducted split units and VRF units will have more benefits than ducted split units. It saves the electricity, it has more efficiency, it requires less tonnage of refrigeration, and also a less copper pipes is required for VRF units. Okay. And also it is also a latest technology invented by Daikin Air Conditioning in 1982. How the copper pipes are distributed, this we will discuss in our next slide. So this is how a simplified version of a variable refrigerant flow, in which this will be an outdoor, okay, and this are the indoor, which is connected with this RF net joints. Okay. From this outdoor, the refrigerant flowing to and from the indoor units. Now there is one special joint which will be placed at a place where the pipes are splitting. The name of this joint is ref net joint. Let's enlarge this for your understanding and look at this picture. What you can see is there is one inlet and two outlets of this joint. So what is the conclusion is, unlike ducted split, the VRF units work with a multiple indoor units handled with a single outdoor units. Okay. But there is one thing common in both the system is there is only one refrigerant, or only primary refrigerant is used for the air conditioning purpose. Okay. So what is the common in this building is, like there is only one refrigerant is used, that is one gas only, it will be used as a refrigerant system. Okay. And what you see in this RF net is there is one inlet and it will be having a two outlet units. So this is how it will be distributed to all the units, because when you have two units over here, one pipe will be split. So of course this inlet will have a higher dimension and the outlets will have a lower dimension. Okay, so this is how a refrigerant variable refrigerant flow works.